When you're looking at the psychometric test definition, one thing you probably want to keep in mind is that people tend to confuse the words and the phrases psychometric test with personality test. And just to put this in perspective, a psychometric test, there's a whole school, a whole range of psychometric tests. A personality test is just one of the various psychometric tests. Now, the problem is that, of course, our common vernacular, we tend to say and use the word psychometric test interchangeably with personality test. So although we're saying psychometric test, we're actually meaning personality test or personality profile or personality type. That tends to be what we're kind of implying. And this is an example of a personality questionnaire here. The big difference between a personality test and all the other psychometric tests, which is like some verbal reasoning and numerical testing and other side of things, is that personality really is the only one where there is no right or wrong answer. It's also the only one where you can't really SWOT up for a personality test, because strictly speaking it's not a test, it's just an assessment. Whereas the other psychometrics, you certainly can practice them and improve your skills at them and find some shortcuts there if you need to do so. But this is not the case with personality. So it's worth keeping that in mind when you're looking at this. And if you are looking for a definition of personality test, then you maybe need to look elsewhere because the psychometric is a much broader definition required.